Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Logue. NCB Financial Group is reporting a net profit of $36.9 billion for the financial year which ended September 30, 2025. The performance was boosted by strong fourth quarter profits of $6.5 billion and continued improvement across most of its regional operations.
Return on equity improved to 12.46%, up from 8.49%. And return on assets increased to 1.56% from 0.96%. The cost-to-income ratio decreased to 64.29% from 73.56%.
Group CEO Robert Almeida said the results also demonstrates the impact of the group's two-year transformation program. Addressing questions about the impact of Hurricane Melissa, Mr. Almeida noted that the group's preparation was instrumental in maintaining stability. Access Financial Services has announced a 3-month moratorium on loan payments for customers who have been badly affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Chairman of the company, Michael Shaw, said the initiative is among several support measures the company has implemented.
I would not have all the answers now because there's a whole range and a whole diversification of the type of business the customer have. For example, if they were farmers, it would naturally take a whole cycle for them to kind of get back on their feet. We will have to work with them through that cycle. So we will have to come up with some creative ways. And we are well advanced in coming up with creative ways to assist the customers to get back on their feet.
This move comes as the company reports strong results for the 2025 financial year.
We ended the year with total assets exceeding $8 billion for the first time in the company's history. Total assets as at March 31, 2025 stood at $8.11 billion, a 14% increase year over year. The group generated revenues of $2.55 billion, which represents a 9% increase over 2024. And with a big focus on cost management, we reduced credit losses and kept total expenses flat at $1.77 billion.
Meanwhile, net profit after tax was $504 million, a 48% jump over 2024. Looking ahead, the company says management would adjust its business strategy to mitigate any potential fallout as the market reacts in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Most categories of fuel will see increases effective tomorrow. 87 gasoline and 90 will increase by $3.06. Meanwhile, automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will both go up by $4.50. Kerosene will cost $2.94 more. The cost of propane will decline by 25 cents, while butane will increase by 5 cents. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. The JSE index advanced by 2,665 points, while the junior market index advanced by 16 points. The winners were led by KLE Group, CAC 2000, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and R.A. Williams Distributors. The losers were led by Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Pulse Investments, Epley Limited 7.75% preference shares, Cygnus Credit Investments 10.50% preference shares, and Main Event Entertainment Group. 16 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.21. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.83. The pound is going for $210.61, while the euro is selling for an average $186.01. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Logue. News from overseas after the break.